So here is the scatter plot I made for x versus y, and as you can see, if you look from left to right, the data points go upwards, so there's a positive association. Now for the strength of the association, we see that the data points are relatively spread out, which means that there is a weak association. Now we can calculate a correlation coefficient based on the scatter plot if we draw a trend line to match the data and calculate the slope of that trend line. So the slope of that trend line would give us the correlation coefficient. However, if we're given the correlation coefficient and it's 0.723, now we know that it's positive because there's no negative sign attached to it. So we know it's a positive association based on that number. And since it's close to 1, it's a strong association. So based on a correlation coefficient of 0.723, there's a strong positive association. Now scatter plots do not prove causation. They only prove associations. If we wanted to prove causation, we would have to develop more experiments and investigate further to make sure that X only affected Y.